morning, sir. The answer to start question number 27. Sir, the department prepared and submitted a proposal for the Nongpo Combined Water Supply Scheme, and the same was included in the memorandum to the 15th Finance Commission for consideration. The project does not figure in the list of recommended schemes of the 15th Finance Commission.
Muhammad Ridwan.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister the reason for not figure in the list of the recommended scheme of the 15th Finance Commission?
Sir, the department has done its best by recommending it to the 15th Finance Commission, but the reason is best known to the Commission itself.
Sir, Nongpo town, it includes of 18 villages. This Nongpo Combined Water Supply Scheme, which has been prepared, estimates have been prepared, way back in 2017, which include 14 villages within the Nongpo constituency and 4 villages under Umsning constituency. Nongpo being the district headquarters, it needs a lot of effort that the PHE department has to ensure that good and affordable drinking water has to be there. Despite of the growing population and the household in these 18 villages, at the same time, the very important office of the Deputy Commissioner, the office of different departments, they need a good and proper water supply. I want to know from the Honorable Minister, when shall we see the light of the day that the very scheme of Nongpo Combined Water Supply Scheme will be sanctioned from any other scheme, be it NESIT, be it RIDF, be it any other scheme, state scheme also. I want to get an assurance from the Honorable Minister, from the government on this regard.
Sir, I thank the honorable member from Nongpo for concerning the water supply in Nongpo area. It's really in need of the people in that area. We agree, there is no dispute on that. And we understand that this scheme, which was commissioned from the year 1978, which has been serving the people for more than 40 years. We understand that it is outdated as of now, and most of the components are in dilapidated conditions. Of course, the department has been trying to address that by sending the proposal to the 15th Finance Commission, which the recommended list has not figured Nongpo. But yes, from the department, we are concerned and we will be following up. I cannot give any assurance from which scheme we'll be doing, but the ultimate aim of the government from this department, PHE, we are intending to give water supply to each and every household in the state. So that is the good news to the people of Meghalaya, that the government is intending to give water supply to each and every house in the state of Meghalaya. So will not leave Nongpo, those villages, those households who have not got water. The only thing is that I cannot assure when we can do that, but we are working on a mission mode to complete that.
So with JJM in place, but JJM will be qualified only in rural area. Since Nongpo is a census town, it wouldn't be qualified through JJM, Jal Jeevan Mission. So my request to the Honorable Minister, through you, sir, even to the Honorable Chief Minister also, we are talking for the interest of the state, because if we rely on other scheme, which we cannot get sanctioned. So my request is that the government will consider at the earliest to sanction from other scheme, because in 2018, the same question why I put on the floor of the House, the response that time is it will be sanctioned through NESID. But again, does not figure in the list at the time when sanctioned. At the same time, now in 15 finance also it's the same. So I urge the government, when we really work for the benefit, for the general interest of the people of the state, which include in each and every corner, be it road connectivity, water supply, and health, education, I would like to urge the government, through you, sir, Mr. Speaker, sir, to the Honorable Minister and the Honorable Chief Minister to consider in days to come from any scheme that can be sanctioned.
Sir, as rightly said by the Honorable Member, that as present JJM is meant for rural household. But another good news is that we are still hoping that the ministry will consider for the urban household as well. So let's hope that still waiting. I cannot assure as of now, but we are hoping that the JJM, urban JJM also will come, and we hope that the government of India will extend this service to the urban household as well. Thank you.